Hey guys, today I will show you how to enable DLSS in Monster Hunter World. First, launch Monster Hunter World and open the main menu. Go to Options, then select Display Settings. Scroll down until you find the NVIDIA DLSS option. Click the left or right arrow on either sides to toggle DLSS on and off. Keep in mind the DLSS option is only accessible if you have a monitor that supports 1440p resolution or higher, and it will also disable the other anti-aliasing options in the game. You can also adjust the sharpness levels of the DLSS right below it. Play with this setting until you find the sharpness level based on your preference. Go back using Escape on your keyboard or right-click twice on your mouse to apply changes. The game may briefly reload or adjust the screen as DLSS activates. Quick tip: most players don't use DLSS in Monster Hunter World since it's the first generation of DLSS hasn't been updated since and will probably never be updated. If you experience visual glitches or performance issues, it's often better to stick with standard anti-aliasing options like TAA or TAA plus FXAA. And that is how to enable DLSS in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.